Hello everyone and welcome to this video, guys. Today I will show you how to activate Novo Banco credit card or debit card. To activate, guys, first use ATM. This is the first step, guys. Enter your card and go to ATM and follow on the screen instruction to activate. Enter your prompt to enter your PIN, and which should we receive separate mailing from bank and our online banking. And the first app, log into your app banking. On the card section, select the activation for debit card. Then online banking, log into your Novo Bank online banking account and navigate to section and follow the activation prompt. After that, contact your customer support, guys. This is the customer support contact from here. This you find customer support, and from here, guys, and after that, guys, go to help and contact this option and contact the support and the numbers of the support, guys. As you can see here, the number of support team, you have this number. You can contact this number to activate your debit card, and you can contact from email support. This is how you can do, guys. I hope this video helpful for you, and thanks for watching this video.